Control N. When you press Control N, that allows for you to create a new document. If you don't remember the shortcut, what you can do, you can go File and click on New. And that will open the canvas right here. All right, let us look back at the specs. So we want the dimension to be 800 in width, 600 in height. So here now, you see where it says you have the width. When you click the drop down, you have different options. You can choose it to be in inches, centimeters, millimeters, point, pickers, but we want our dimensions, the SI unit to be in pixels. So we choose pixels. And remember, the instruction says, hold on, the instruction says 800 pixels width, 600 height. So we're going to type 800 here, and the height is going to be 600. So we choose the unit that we want, which is in pixels, and we type that in. They say they want it to be, the color mode to be in RGB. So let us look at the color modes. So when you see, where's the color mode and you have the drop down, you have different type of color mode. You have grayscale, which we know is black and white to the extremes with 256 different shades of gray. And then you have the CMYK. We use CMYK when we want to do work for print. But we're going to be leaving it at RGB because we want it to be displayed on the monitor. All right, let us go back. The resolution is 72. And so here we have 72, and you have two options. You have pixels per inch and you have pixels per centimeter. We're going to be choosing pixels per inch. Also notice that it will show you over here where it says image size, it shows you how much the size of the file will be. And then we're going to come up with a name, because you're going to have to save right here. Name it with your first name and last name, 5 circles, and wherever you see PSD, PSD is the file format. So you don't have to name it PSD. That is the file extension that when you save it, it will save as a .psd file. So the name of the file is going to be your first name, your last name, 5 circles. So in the title up here, that is where you put that information. And then you click OK. And that is how you create. So this white area here is known as your canvas. And before you open up, when you launch Photoshop, you determine the dimensions of your canvas and you determine the specific color mode that you will be working in along with the resolution. So if we go back to the notes, remember, if we're doing artwork for print, we set the resolution to 300 dots per inch. If it's for the web or on the monitor, we set it to 72 dots per inch or pixels per inch.